Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi, and today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video, and I am going to be cleaning my master bathroom. So the bathroom is the one area that I least like cleaning. I'm sure you guys can all agree, but it has to get done. So today I'm going to take you with me, and if you need help or some motivation to clean your bathroom, then I hope that this will give you that motivation, because I know I need motivation to clean my bathroom. And you're also gonna notice that there is very little decorations in my bathroom, if any at all. Actually, on the counters, we only have our paper towels and our hand soap. And I also have one little fragrance diffuser on my side of the sink. But I am someone who prefers to have an empty, clean look in my bathroom over a decorated look in my bathroom. And it's also purposeful because the less items that you have on your counter space, the less items you need to remove and put back, the less items you need to clean or dust. It's just an easier way to clean the bathrooms. And honestly, I find decorating other areas of my house more enjoyable than using a bathroom as an area to decorate. So I'm already of the very minimal look and minimal decor anyway, so my bathroom is exactly just that. So I'm gonna start off by sharing with you the products I'm using today. I start by cleaning the mirrors, and what I'm using for that is just this glass cleaner that I got from Costco. I find that most glass cleaners work no matter what brand they are, so I just go ahead and grab mine from Costco, since you could get them in bulk and you save money that way. For my sinks and counters, I'll be using the Mrs. Meyer all-purpose spray, and this is in the scent Honeysuckle. It smells really good, and I use an all-purpose spray to clean all over my house, but I'll be using this for the sinks and the counters. And for my toilet, I do not like using anything on the toilet and then washing it and reusing it for something else. For the toilet, I use Clorox disinfectant wipes so that I could just throw them away. I don't like touching my toilet with something and then ever needing to touch something else with it again. I think that's super gross, but that's just me. So I use Clorox wipes so I could disinfect and clean and throw it away when I'm done. And for the toilet bowl, I use the Clorox wands, the ones that you dispose of. And for my bathtub, I have a clawfoot porcelain bathtub, and I can't use just any cleaner on it. So what I use is Dawn with a microfiber cloth, and this makes it so that the tub doesn't get any scratches and also gives it a really good cleaning. So if you're ready for some bathroom cleaning motivation, then let's go.
Overthink much, tripping and falling all over these thoughts. Each one is telling me I'm not enough. Ooh, dang, it's time to show 'em who's boss, 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 boss. Show 'em who's boss, 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 boss. It's time to let this girl free. Bubbles in my back, I'm gonna put my feet up. Now I'm focused on me. Red, white, and a rack up to my favorite 'cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby, in charge, now we living large. I've been thinking lately I was born to be a boss lady, boss baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby, in charge, now we living large. I've been thinking lately I was born to be a boss lady. Boss, 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 boss. Show moves, boss, 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 boss. It's time to let this girl breathe. Bubbles in my back, I'm gonna put my feet up. Now I'm focused on me. Red, white, and a red cup. Turn my favorite song up. Let a girl breathe. This time I take control of it. Breathe. Oh, 'cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby, in charge. Now we live it large. I've been thinking lately I was born to be a boss lady.
Flying sound, you know what I mean?
Like a bird that flies above the violence.
Yeah.
Like a word that cuts through the silence. There's a light that keeps shining, and a tide that keeps rising in us.
Yeah. Man, I've been thinking about time and how fast it flies. I left 25 behind, still trying to figure out my existence. The heart of man is persistent. Let me tell you about a flower in the hour of resistance. Fireworks make the same sound as gunshots. We look up to a sky full of color. She woke up to find her mother riddled with bullet wounds and blood clots. I wish I could make the pain stop. Man, I wish I could change her universe. Tell her she is not her pain, shame, strain, abuse, or bruise their hearts. That's why I use the verse to remove the cost. They got children born into this world just to choose their hearts. This is a poem to the mountain that stands for every person, causing them a cower and feel less than deserving of their place upon this earth, their position and their worth, their glory and their story that man could never purchase. For the single mother, the widowed father, the little sister missing a brother, the old man on his own with a meal in the oven, looking at a picture of his lover, cancer came and smothered. To the one feeling like a number, the one feeling like a commodity. When honestly we're all probably one step away from poverty. A broken heart and beating mind. That's why I'm speaking to the mountain till it's deep beneath the tide. Yeah.
Like a word that cuts through the silence.
Yeah.
There's a light that keeps shining and a tide that keeps rising in us.
Yeah.
And lost it. Like a bird that flies above the violence.
Yeah.
Like a word that cuts through the silence. There's a light that keeps shining and a tide that keeps rising in us.
Yeah.
Knowing what I know now, I would do it all again in a heartbeat. Take those fragile years, all your worry and tears, and put them on me. Oh, I must admit, when I think of how far we've come, it was worth the risk, 'cause it dug us a deeper love. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. come to be found in this moment. Makes it easy to believe, must be more to you and me, something magic. And I must admit that every morning I wake up, either I must be dreaming or I must be lost in love. Never in a million years. Knowing what I know now, I would do it all again in a heartbeat. Take those fragile years, all your worry and tears, and put them on me. Oh, I must admit, when I think of how far we've come, it was worth the risk, 'cause it dug us a deeper love. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years did I think you'd be mine. And now I can't imagine a life without you, and every song that I write's about you. Just thought you should know I'll never let you go. Never in a million years. Never in a million years. Honey, I've been thinking about how we've come to be found in this moment.
So that's it, guys. I am done cleaning my master bathroom. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's never fun cleaning anything, especially your bathroom. But if you could find products that work really well for you, and if you could find equipment that is really easy to use, then it at least makes the job a little bit easier for us. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you did enjoy this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any other videos. I'm Satomi, and I make videos sharing with you how I take care of my home, my family, and myself. If that's something that interests you, then I would love for you to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
'Cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we'll walk it off, baby, in charge.